SMT Nation, we back, and we got a network access update from T-Mobile. They're teaming up with Homeland Security to give first responder data top priority. I'll go ahead and link this article for you guys to check out. This is businesswire.com. The Uncarrier's first and only wireless provider to give data priority automatically to WPS enrolled agencies. Some of you may be wondering what this is about. Let's read some of the details here. All right, so obviously, first responders are the most critical components of our response whenever there are emergencies, whenever there are healthcare issues, whether it's law enforcement, fire response, all these different types of situations. First responders need priority on networks. That is 100% the case. We want to see that with our network access. Verizon always been known as the first responder network. AT&T with FirstNet becoming the new first responder network, and now T-Mobile kind of doing their thing, providing what is known as Wireless Priority Service, or WPS. We'll just call it that moving forward in today's video. All right, what this is going to do is give top priority to those uncarrier first responders. All right, and they're working closely with the Department of Homeland Security to ensure that those first responder customers on the T-Mobile network have this streamlined WPS eligibility process and automatic data priority on the network. So here it says T-Mobile is simplifying the process for those individuals, not requiring them to register for it or pay an extra fee. So what's going to happen here is the way that it's going to be provisioned on the system side is that it's automatically enrolled with this WPS feature. So at times of heavy network congestion, which can obviously happen in an emergency type situation, during those times, automatically those SIM cards that are in those devices will give them that highest priority on the network. Uh, Here it says that they're going to maintain a minimum performance of 512 kbps for applications. Now, that may not seem like much, but that does guarantee somewhat of like a 3G experience. That would mean messaging and calling wouldn't really be an issue. I think it would, obviously ensure that those types of connections could be made. It says here, a first responder is using data in a low coverage area. The network will automatically reallocate resources to help maintain that critical connection. Now, I did reach out to T-Mobile engineering, and I did speak to a couple of contacts within the company in regards to this particular feature, and they confirmed that nothing actually happened on the back end. There's nothing happening on the engineering side. There's no change in the QoS or the QCI of the company and its network operations. So this is happening strictly on a SIM basis. This is happening just on the provisioning side. What's being called Magenta First Responders, that's going to be the case of how this is going to operate. So, look, I'm not saying that this is game changing. It might be. I don't know. Who knows? It might end up being the difference between being able to make a call or not make a call on the T-Mobile network. But I'm glad that they have it. When it comes to QCIs and QoS, I think AT&T probably has the most intelligent and capable QCI and QoS system. I don't think it can be beat the way it's set up. They have QCI 6 for their first responders. Verizon has a QCI 7 that's dedicated for such situations. T-Mobile's QCIs are not really set up the same way, but it's neither here nor there. Regardless of whatever T-Mobile can give on those tower sites, the way they've got it structured on their network, these individuals are going to have the highest priority and at least that guaranteed amount of throughput to make their calls and to text. So I guess it's good to see. What do you want better than that, right? Next piece of news here. I'm going to go ahead and link this in the description as well. Sprint customers can now open T-Mobile home internet accounts. All right, so this was a couple of weeks ago, and from what I understand, this is supposed to be slated for an August launch, so be on the lookout. Maybe inquire within the website as you put in your address to see if you qualify for it and it's covered. Uh, but it says here that according to the document from internal at T-Mobile, legacy Sprint customers can now have and open T-Mobile home internet accounts and keep their existing Sprint accounts. All right, so this was always kind of a contentious point, but I did want to update this because we covered this last year in an update video. Sprint customers were unable to get the service because of accounting incompatibilities, but it looks like T-Mobile has gone ahead and just said, yeah, we'll go ahead and allow it to happen, and you don't have to like run new credit, or whatever the case may be. So this is actually, I think, live here at the end of July. It says July 21st. So go ahead and check to see if you qualify for your address, and you can do this new sign up. Maybe you want it. You can get a discount associated with it if you're on one of the premium plans. I know that they do tie the discount to Magenta MAX, so that might be kind of touchy. Might not qualify, but we'll see. Comment down below, actually, if you've tried, you've inquired, you've successfully made the order, and also if you were able to qualify for that discount with the Magenta Max kind of being the restriction, on the home internet. So I'm not sure, but love to hear what you guys have to say in your experiences on this, if that is converted for you and successfully done that. And then also let me know what you guys think of the Homeland Security partnership for the first responder top priority on the network with their WPS enrolled feature. Comment down below. You are the voice of the people, the SMT Nation. Let your voice be heard. Like, share, subscribe for more, and turn on that bell notification icon to never miss an upload from the SMT. Check out some of the links in the description, my Patreon page if you want to support us there and get early access to content and exclusive videos not found anywhere else. Also, my Twitter handle and my Gmail address for all business inquiries. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.